Question 1. Question: which is actually bigger? Options: A, Russia, or B, Africa. 3, 2, 1. Answer: B, Africa. Africa is nearly twice the size of Russia in total land area. Question 2. Question: which country has more land area? Options: A, USA, or B, Australia. 3, 2, 1. Answer: A, USA, but only by a tiny bit. Australia is almost the exact same size as the continental United States. Question 3. Question: which country is bigger in size? Options: A, China, or B, Canada. 3, 2, 1. Answer: B, Canada. Canada is the second largest country, while China is third or fourth, depending on water bodies. Question 4. Question: can you fit the entire contiguous Europe inside Brazil? Options: A, yes, or B, no. 3, 2, 1. Answer: A, yes. Brazil is actually larger than the entire contiguous United States and Europe combined in landmass. Question 5. Question: which landmass is larger? Options: A, Antarctica, or B, Australia. 3, 2, 1. Answer: A, Antarctica. Antarctica looks big on maps, and it actually is. It is nearly twice the size of Australia.